This light kit includes one 6-foot LED strip light, one function controller, two corner connectors, and one block connector. Mount within 5 feet of an electrical outlet. Clean surface with rubbing alcohol. Measure the installation space. Measure tape light and cut on the cut symbol. If you cut the tape light too short, rejoin the tape with a block connector. Add corner connectors to maneuver the light around tight corners. Peel off liner and press tape light to surface. Connect the light to the power cord. The first button turns the light on and off and displays white light. Hold the button to dim. Press the second button to display white light and RGB colors together. Choose from red white, green white, blue white, pink white, orange white, and auto-rotating. To show only RGB colors, turn off the white light by pressing the first button again. Display red, green, blue, pink, orange, or auto-rotating colors.